Nadala mo ba lahat ng mga ninakaw mo? Diba? Diba? Is it worth it yung ginawa mo sa Pilipinas? Nadala mo ba lahat yan? I want to say something lang about the death of the passing of Romeo Acop. Okay? It's in line, I guess, with Christmas, no? So if you don't mind, no? Isang rason kung bakit I had to flee the country was because of Romeo Acop. No, then another reason why I experienced, my family and I experienced yung oppression of an illegal detention. For no other reason than because we expressed our God-given right to free expression by asking Martin Romualdez, is it true that you spent your allowance for travel is 850 million? And because of that, we were illegally detained. And one of that was Romeo Acop. He was the one who moved to cite me and Eric for contempt, no? So, I guess in this holiday season, no, we need to ponder, no? Kasi nakita natin ang Pilipinas, nawalan na talaga ng North Star, no? Itong mga leaders natin supposedly. Binigyan natin ng napakalaking mga kapangyarihan, pero anong ginawa doon? Ginamit talaga para pagbuhatan tayo ng kamay. Diba? So, minsan gusto ko tanungin si Romeo Acop, is it worth it? Diba? Is it worth it yung ginawa mo sa Pilipinas? Nadala mo ba lahat yan? Nadala mo ba lahat ng mga ninakaw mo? Diba? So, in this season of love, I guess, no, which is what our life ought to be about. I want all of us to ponder on the lives and the directions, the direction of our lives take when we make certain choices. So I guess